Hello, beautiful people. Welcome again to NFT Takeover. This is Elio, and today I'm bringing you a passive income NFT that is making like a lot of headlines around the world because it's called Move to Earn. Basically, you just move and you earn passive income cryptocurrencies. The project I'm talking about is called STEPN, STEPN. You can see it right here. And the floor price for one of these NFTs is 13.25 Solana. That means it's around like $1,300 to get one of these pair of shoes so you can move to earn. So let's read the description. They describe themselves as the world's first move to earn NFT. It's a mobile game. Basically, it's just an app. And to be able to interact with the app, you need to have one of these NFTs. What it does, it tracks your steps or your jogging or the whatever time you go running out there, and then it counts your steps and it pays you with a cryptocurrency. Now we're gonna go into their website. So this is a STEPN light paper. You can download the app right here, and it just goes through the whole thing. So what is STEPN? STEPN is a Web3 lifestyle app with a SocialFi and GameFi elements. SocialFi is social finance, GameFi is game finance. And the way that they do this is by, you can see you can level up your STEPN or your pair. You can do in-app trading, so you can trade your shoes or you can trade your coins. You can also rank up and have different badges, like achievement badges. You can see right here. And also you can mint new sneakers. So if you have a pair and another pair, and one is for like jogging, the other one's for running, you can breed them and get a new pair that is more of a balance option for you if you like want to do that. And the best part about this is that if you are not using the NFT to move and earn, you can rent it. So this is a good investment even if you yourself are not using the product. You can just buy a bunch of these ones and then rent them so that other people are making passive income for you, just you by owning the asset. I think about it very similar to like Uber. A lot of people, when Uber came around, they wanted to become Uber drivers, but they didn't have a car. So what people that had money, they were able to buy multiple cars, then rent these cars to drivers. That way these drivers can drive, earn, and they split the profits. So let's get into how the profits get split for this project. So there's two tokens that you get rewarded for. The GST, which is an unlimited supply, and that's the utility token. And then we have GMT, which is a total supply of only 6 billion, so it's fixed, and that's the governance token. As you can see, first step to get earning with the move to earn, you need to buy one of these STEPN NFTs. And you buy it in the marketplace, like I show you in the initial page. This is the marketplace, Magic Eden. You just type STEPN and you see all the different options that you have. Now, they already move over 32,000 Solana in volume, and that's a lot. So people are catching on to this trend. And what I wanted to show again is if you buy, of course, you are using it and you earn the token. You earn your GMT and your GST. Now, if you rent it, you get 30% to the renter. So you still get 30% of the income what that NFT is making. And then 70%, you get 30% to the renter, so the people that is running, and you as the owner, you keep 70%. So it's more than half the profit. So you just own the item, you can rent it to someone, they run or they walk for you, they earn this token, you keep 70%, you only pay them 30%. And this is the beauty of it. The token itself is like skyrocket over the last week. It grew over 20%, and I even see people investing in the token itself because not everyone is ready to do the move into the move to earn. And the best part is that once you earn your token, in the same app, you can swap it. Whether it's a GMT or the GST, you can swap it for USDC. So you literally can be earning dollars right after you do your walks or your jogs. So make sure you check it out, guys.